Strata Mat is a next-generation high-performance uncoupling mat for use under ceramic tile and stone installations for both residential and commercial applications. Designed to replace traditional flooring underlayment materials such as plywood and cement board, Strata Mat is lightweight and allows for easy handling, lower installation costs, and faster floor preparation prior to tiling. The unique patent-pending design of Strata Mat helps to prevent delamination or cracking by accommodating the stresses experienced between the substrate and finished tile floor. In addition, the design provides for increased thin-set mortar surface area, forming an interlocking matrix to support any point loading forces while simultaneously helping prevent the transmission of any cracks from a concrete slab to the finished flooring surface. Specifically designed for use with both modified and unmodified mortars, Strata Mat allows for the proper adhesive mortar to be used when installing porcelain, moisture-sensitive stone, or large format tiles. Strata Mat offers the following innovative features, allowing for fast and easy installations with lasting performance and durability. Patent-pending mortar hydration vents accelerate dry time of the thinset by allowing the moisture in the mortar to dissipate faster, achieving early strength so you can grout the next day. In addition, the mortar hydration vents allow the thin-set mortar to form a mechanical bond to the surface of Strata Mat, providing a long-lasting bond. Vapor management. The mortar hydration vents provide a controlled evacuation of any excess vapor from a concrete slab to protect the tiled surface. Installation and layout are also very easy with Strata Mat. The 45-inch roll width allows floors to be covered fast with fewer seams, and the translucent color allows for instant coverage verification below Strata Mat, saving time and ensuring proper installation. Plus, chalk lines are clearly visible, allowing for easy layout. Strata Mat is a component of the Laticrete Lifetime System Warranty, providing you one source, one warranty from the substrate up. To begin the installation, ensure the substrate is clean and of a suitable construct to accept the tile or stone finished floor. All surfaces should be structurally sound, clean, and free from all dirt, oil, grease, paint, concrete sealers or curing compounds, and cement latents. Begin the installations by first conducting a dry layout of the mat to determine appropriate cut length location. Thanks to the 45-inch width, Strata Mat allows you to cover floor area quickly with less seams than traditional uncoupling membranes. Simply cut Strata Mat to the desired length and mark the edge location of Strata Mat for proper mortar bed location. Next, using a Laticrete polymer modified thin-set mortar, mix to a wet consistency and apply to the substrate using a 1/4 by 3/16 inch V-notch trowel, being sure to key the mortar into the substrate. Spread only enough mortar that can be covered with Strata Mat during the specified open time of the mortar. Begin installation by embedding Strata Mat into the mortar fabric side down. Make sure to leave approximately 1/4 inch between Strata Mat and the edge of wall or object for movement. Next, using a trowel, apply even downward pressure to the entire surface of Strata Mat to ensure proper bedding into the bonding mortar bed. Thanks to the translucent feature of Strata Mat, areas embedded properly in the mortar will appear darker than areas not embedded, indicating the level of coverage. Install adjacent sections of Strata Mat in the same manner, being sure to line up the edges without leaving any gaps in between. Once Strata Mat has been installed over the substrate, the tile installation can begin immediately. Strata Mat allows for easy visibility of both red or blue chalk lines on the surface, aiding in proper tile placement. After layout is complete, continue the installation by filling the surface of Strata Mat using the appropriate mortar for the installation. Using the flat side of the trowel, ensure all spaces and mortar hydration vents are completely filled. Follow by combing thin-set mortar over strata mat using a notched trowel that is suitable for the size of tile being installed. Then simply install the tile in accordance with industry guidelines. Finish the installation by grouting with Laticrete Spectralock Pro Premium Grout. Laticrete Strata Mat is available in 2 lightweight, convenient sizes to suit all job requirements. A 323 square foot roll for larger commercial projects and a smaller 150 square foot roll. Laticrete Strata Mat is the next generation uncoupling mat, offering the highest performance available from the most trusted name in tile and stone installation materials. Visit us at www.laticrete.com for more information.